Hey there! In this very video, I'm going to tell you a very realistic way to make $100 every single day with a faceless YouTube channel. And it works, so stick around till the very end. But before I begin, I want you to know that you need to put in a little bit of work, and if you are here to check how to make $100 a day within a week or a month, then please stop watching this video. But if you are up for the long run, then keep watching. Why I said little bit of hard work is because AI will be there by your side, and it will do most of the work for you. Well, that being said, let's get started. Creating faceless YouTube videos has actually become super easy these days. Previously, people were concerned that their videos may not be monetized because of the use of AI-generated voices. But in this new age of AI, the AI voices have become so realistic that you'll have a hard time figuring out whether it's an AI voice or a real voice. Now we shall make use of 3 AI tools to establish our faceless YouTube channel that can really help us make $100 a day in the long run. Number 1 is the all-known ChatGPT. ChatGPT needs no introduction. So we will make use of the free ChatGPT version to come up with the content for our YouTube channel. Number 2, Pictory AI. Second up, we will be using Pictory AI. Pictory AI is a crowd favorite AI video editor tool with which we can create beautiful looking YouTube videos with the help of their script to video editing feature. Number 3, Murf AI. Lastly, we will be making use of Murf AI to come up with a highly realistic AI voice that we shall be using in our faceless YouTube channel. Now that we know which tools we need, let's get along with the actual process. We all know that finance is the highest paying niche, and the average CPM in the finance niche is $25 to $35. Now, I also know what you are thinking. Isn't finance the highly competitive niche? Yes, it is, but at the same time, you don't need huge views to make big money because the CPM is usually very high. And speaking of competition, there is competition for every niche on YouTube these days, so why not start with the finance niche when you can make videos easily with AI tools? Now that being said, how do we get the content idea for our finance-related topics? Well, let me tell you how. Finance-related topics such as credit cards, real estate, stock market, inflation can be taken from the top finance blogs. And for this example, we shall take the topic from one of the articles on the Penny Hoarder website. After browsing this site for a while, I found this topic interesting, which is, how is credit card debt split during divorce? Now you can copy the content from this article, but if you don't want to do that, then it's time for our friend ChatGPT to get the content for us. So we shall head over to ChatGPT and give the prompt so that it comes up with the content, which then we can use as a script for our YouTube video. As you can see, ChatGPT has come up with great looking content. Now we shall head over to Pictory AI to do the further AI work. Now on the Pictory AI dashboard, click on Create a New Project. After that, select Script to Video option and click on Proceed. Here on the script editor, copy and paste the content that ChatGPT delivered. Give your video a name, and of course, be sure to remove the content that you don't want to be used on the video. And once everything is set, click on Proceed. Now Pictory AI offers more than 40 different templates to choose from. So choose the one you like, set the aspect ratio, and click on Continue. Now please wait for a few seconds and let Pictory AI analyze the content and come up with a video storyboard for you. As you can see, Pictory AI has come up with visuals that is matching exactly with the content. Now, of course, if you are not satisfied with the visuals, then you can change the visuals or upload your own. Now comes the voice. Even though Pictory AI has offered its own voices, most of them sound highly robotic. So I wouldn't suggest using Pictory AI voices. So for this, we shall head over to Murf to do the AI voice magic. On the Murf AI dashboard, click on Create a New Project. After that, click on Start Blank and click on Create Project. Now paste all those content that ChatGPT gave in different blocks on Murf AI, and choose the voice that is more suitable according to the context. For this example, I will consider the female voice of Alicia. Let me just play the voice for you so that you can listen to the voice.
Divorce can be a complex and emotional process, and one of the many issues that couples must navigate is how to divide their assets and debts.
It sounded 90% realistic to me. Now do the same for all other sentences and then extract it so that we can go back to Pictory and upload it. As this video will get too long, I've taken the voices for all other sentences and then went to Pictory and uploaded the respective voice to the respective scene generated by Pictory AI. That's all. Our AI-generated faceless YouTube video is ready. Pictory offers a lot of other editing options if you want to make further editing to your video. Once you are satisfied with the video, click on Generate and your video will be downloaded. Now go ahead and create that YouTube channel that you always wanted to create and start your journey to the success of $100 per day. If you heard about these AI tools that I mentioned in this video for the first time, then I have given the resources to learn more about them in the description box below. So go and check them out. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you found some value in this video, then make sure to kill that like button.